And guess what? This guy's over here walking around looking at the Rice Mobile. I mean, Lamborghini. I'm sorry, I didn't. That just came out. I was really frustrated. When Nino forgets the camera, so we have to record on his Apple Pop-Tart. We got the Lamborghini over there, and then we have the other Lamborghini right here. And then we have the Toyota Supra over here. You know, this is how we roll. No.
Bowling green assembly.
Great.
That's the assembly where this car was made.
You can read.
That's badass, dude. I never thought they would like say that.
Dude, we got. Should we show them what?
We got the mom's mobile.
So you know, you pull up and you're like, everybody's like, wow, he's got a Corvette, and then they're like, boom, Lamborghini, Corvette to Lambo, that fucking quick. Yep.
All those conversions, baby. What does this thing run off? Premium?
E85.
What happened? Fucked up on the end, bro. Look at this end. It has a line in it, man. Fuck my life. I might just order a new one because it was like $5 off eBay.
A wild idiot appears.
Today, we will show you how to close the hood when doing an oil change. Thanks for joining us. Alright, so today, we didn't plan on recording at all, but then we were like, let's just do it, you know? So, basically, we made Nino drive to his house to get the camera, get all the recording equipment, aka just a selfie stick turned out. What? Oh, no, he's talking. He's talking to his mom. Tell her hi. But basically, we ran out of time. I was in a hurry. I ended up we were gonna do a video just on how to change your oil, but that didn't quite work out. So look forward to that in the next episode.
Fresh oil, bro.
Good. Be professional. Okay, we're on camera. Well, this is a cartridge style filter. Most oil filters are just aluminum can looking things that you just screw on. And this is a cartridge style, so it's a little bit more work and usually makes a bigger mess. You have to replace this O-ring, you just take this out, put in the new one. Pretty simple.
Oh, you guys are just coming over to look at my beautiful Lamborghini? Yeah, of course. One. Actually, two new ones. I fucked up on my rear one. But it's okay, bro. That's the part of the Lamborghini that people just don't need to know about. You can tell it's dirty from working on my coilovers that keep making weird noises. Don't go with eBay. New sticker back here. It's a clean culture. I think it looks pretty clean. And then I'm gonna throw on my logo, my business logo back here, which is a detailing business. So think of it, clean culture. Dude, everything just comes together, right? That makes so much more sense.
What we do this for both of our fans, all two of them. We needed to get this video out.
Yeah.
We didn't want to leave you guys hanging.
Update.
On Aka's car. The Lamborghini still makes noises that we don't know where they're originating from. We assume they originated from eBay, and they slowly migrated into his coilover.
Yeah. I think that's the.
How many times have you had it apart since the last video?
At least like 5.
You disgust me.
I'm so disappointed in you right now. Where's the logic of putting an oil filter on top of the engine? You see, in the oil filter there tends to be oil. So if you put it on top, when you take the oil filter out, all the oil just goes on top of your engine. And then it just, why would you do that? What's wrong with putting them on the bottom? You know? Aka, why would they do that? It makes no sense. Like, I'm just speechless. GM, you know, call me and I'll give you some engineering tips and tricks. Whoever engineered this, I hope one day you watch this, you randomly stumble upon this video when we're famous, and you're just like, holy, I can't believe I did that.
Exactly.
What do you want?
Where are you? I'm trying to get you to do a sick cinematic shot of me pouring the oil, and guess what? This guy's over here walking around looking at the Lamborghini. I'm sorry, that just came out, I was really frustrated. And then the whole oil filter on top thing really, I'm sorry! Dude, come back! Come back, dude! Sad day. Think with your dipstick, Chama. Dude, I'm the shit. Put some Febreze on it.
Yeah, I'm the shit. 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 I should have Febreze on me.